Are you trying to decide if Lifter LMS is worth the investment? I'm Chris Badgett, CEO and co-founder of Lifter LMS. I'm also a course creator myself, and I'm a former WordPress agency owner. So I really understand the WordPress professionals out there and the WordPress hobbyists. Have been around WordPress a really long time. So you're here because you've looked at a lot of the membership plugins out there like Paid Memberships Pro, MemberPress, WooCommerce Members, Restrict Content Pro, S2 Member, and Wishlist Member, maybe more. You've looked at the LMS or Learning Management System plugins like Lifter LMS, Sensei, WP Courseware, Tutor LMS, LearnDash, and LearnPress. And you found Lifter and you're asking yourself, is Lifter LMS worth the investment? Perhaps you're struggling with one of these platform decision challenges. The big one that I hear a lot is that people don't want to end up with a Software Frankenstein, which is a website with too many plugins made by too many different companies that aren't necessarily designed to work well together. And what you end up doing is you end up wasting a lot of time, money, and increase the stress. So we want to avoid that. And I'm sure you're thinking about that you don't want to end up in that situation. So I completely get that. Perhaps you're concerned about your technical ability, both to kind of get started with the product and also to realize the full value out of the software for what you're trying to build for your ideal learning platform. And the third thing you're worried about, as I can totally relate to too, is am I partnering with the right company? Do these people get me? Do they understand me? So you just want to make sure that this company is not going to shut down. It's going to be a company that's going to be around. It's been around and it really understands you. I totally get that. And I'm going to help you choose the best WordPress LMS, Lifter LMS, so that you can move forward if you see it as worth investing in. So one of the cool things about Lifter LMS is I'd like you to consider your Software Frankenstein worries completely eliminated. So you can save your money, you can save your time, and prevent future stress by just getting Lifter LMS. It's an all-in-one solution. It's built that way from day one to combine the e-commerce, the membership, the LMS, all the courses, reporting, analytics, gamification, engagement, all that stuff is there to give you a true all-in-one solution. So that solves the Software Frankenstein problem. The second thing is if you have any concerns about your ability to use it, I'd like you to consider those worries no longer required, because Lifter LMS, even myself, I'm a non-technical user. I'm the product architect of Lifter LMS in the sense of figuring out what it was going to do, but I didn't write the code to do that. So Lifter LMS is built so that a non-technical person like me can do incredible things with it. You don't have to be a developer to use Lifter LMS. But if you are a developer, the very talented engineering team at Lifter LMS has also built the tool to have advanced development capabilities if you're going to extend it and take things further, like with our robust REST API as an example. So Lifter LMS is designed for both ends of the technology or techie skills spectrum. So just keep that in mind no matter where you fall on the continuum. You're going to be completely fine. And the third thing is Lifter LMS is a high quality company. I want you to relax because you've selected the best in class tool built for people just like you. Consider your worries completely eliminated. Will and the customer success team are standing by to help you get your project built, to remove any friction that gets in your way and get you your time back and get that stress out of the way so that you can focus on other key parts of your business, your loved ones, or really whatever you do for fun. So go ahead and invest in you by investing in the world's best learning management system software, Lifter LMS.